The issue is before the Supreme Court. As is it PTNT?
Yes.
PTNT made a record that they are in the Supreme Court questioning precisely the designation of Mr. Ter. I do not know if the grounds that came out in the committee hearing is included in the allegation, in the grounds in the Supreme Court. I have not seen the petition.
Sir, co-warrant po na po ba yung sa PTNT?
Hindi ko alam. I think they're questioning, no, it's not co-warrant. They're questioning the designation. To be honest, I do not know what it is. Nagugula lang ako. Basta, they have filed a case against Mr. Ter and Bena, and the issue is the designation of Bena.